guys, and welcome back to Hilltop Farm. Today we're going to be canning our organic pectin. Okay, now all the jars have gone through the dishwasher, so they're all immaculately clean. Okay, we get our funnel and we ladle carefully. We ladle our pectin in. Now, I like to leave 1 inch headspace for anything like this. So, that's about it. 1 inch headspace. And we get our paper towel. We run around the top, making sure it's clean. Our lids have been in piping hot water. We put on our ring. Now, as most of you will know by now, the rings go finger tight just till they start to grip. Okay? And then we transfer it to the canner. Okay, so we put that in there. Okay. Now, I'll do one more for you. Now, not sure how much this will make. Quite a bit, I have a feeling. But we should keep going. Okay, leaving once again inch of headspace. Dash more vinegar. Another lid. And finger tight till it grips. And into the canner. Okay, and there's another one. And we'll bring you back when they're all done and the canner is full. Okay, so here we are. The canner is full. It ended up making 10.5 pints, which is 21 half-pint jars, which is really good. That's enough pectin to keep on our shelves for quite some time, so I'm more than happy with that. As you can see, we're doing water bath canning. I've got 2 layers here in the canner. Okay, I'm just going to tip in the vinegar that we use to clean the tops of our jars, and that will stop them all from clouding up. Okay, once this comes up to a rolling ball, we're going to need to process it for a good 10 minutes. And once we've done that, we'll bring you back and I'll show you the finished product when it comes out of the canner. Well, we're back and it's time to empty the canner. It's been processed for 10 minutes on a rapid boil. There we go. Can you hear that lovely ping? That's what beautiful, yes. That's what we're waiting to hear. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, can you see? And I hope you can hear the pinging, because that means that's the telltale sign that you've We've done it all right. Now, when you have a bottom layer like this, always difficult getting the first one out. Okay, so there's our 21 half-pint jars of Organic Pectin. They will sit there till tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll bring you back and I'll show you how we clean up the jars and label them ready for the shelf. Okay, we're back, and it's the next morning, and this is what we have. Okay, we have all this pectin. Alright, it's cold. They all appear to have sealed, but we will check as we go through. We take the rings off. We check our seals. And then into warm water. Give it a good clean. Sometimes there is spillage in the canning process, and you end up with some of the contents down the side of the jar. So you need to make sure that it is cleaned off. It stops ants from getting to it. And that's pretty much it, really. We then dry it. I generally don't give out pectin as gifts, so it's usually jam, things like that. So I don't put labels on the side, on the top, permanent marker, just write pectin and the date, and this stuff will, there's a few years worth here. So this will do really well for me. I'm very happy with the result of this. It's funny, someone actually asked me the other day when I said I was going to do a video on pectin, and they said, well, why make it yourself? My rebuttal to that was, well, why not? Why would I pay for something that, to be honest, I don't actually know what it is and where it comes from? Not that I've researched it, but I don't know. But why would I pay for something when I've got the cores and the apple peels there? Doesn't cost me anything other than a little bit of time in the kitchen, and quite frankly, I enjoy it. So why wouldn't you? I think it's a wonderful skill to have. There's not too many people around these days that would even know what pectin is, let alone how to make it themselves. So I think it's a wonderful skill to add to your culinary repertoire, quite frankly. Never know when it's going to come in handy. Okay, so that's all you do. Okay, so that's it. You know how to can up your apple pectin. To always have it on the shelf, and as I say, you'll have a skill set that most other people won't have, regardless of how good cooks they are. So, if you enjoyed the video, hit like, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video, and we'll see you right back here at Hilltop Farm next time. See ya!